Mouse at a rest area in Virginia. There we go. Got her a new leash. 16 feet.
Don't forget, she's sporting her new collar too.
Yeah. You see her new collar? She got gold.
Mommy made it for her. We gotta keep our princess happy. Mouse.